Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be looking at Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Paste Wax. It's clear coat safe on everything. You can get this from AutoZone. Comes in a pack like this. Easy way to open it. That way you can store it back. Just open it like so. Then get your wax out. Then we're going to twist it apart. Set this down. If you look underneath your lid, there's an applicator pad here. Grab the applicator pad. I'm going to set this up here with that. And then you're just going to agitate it like so. Put about that much on there. The idea is that you just want to coat the surface. You do not want to overload it. So you can go side to side in a crosshatch pattern like so. And this is very, very buttery. You'll notice that. The reason going in a crosshatch pattern is that way you do not leave any section untouched. Now, you can let this product dry completely. You can let it dry completely. On the instructions here, results apply to a clean, cool surface in the shade. Apply a small amount of the product to the applicator pads. Spread an even coat over the entire vehicle and allow to dry. Remove with Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber 100% terry cloth. You don't need to, okay? It says that it could also be used with an orbital buffer or dual action polisher. Keep off of rubber, vinyl, and non-painted surfaces. So this product evidently will turn your rubber and also your plastic surfaces, if you get it on there, white. So just be aware of that. Only use it on painted surfaces. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna now put this back inside of here. Safekeeping. Like so. I'm gonna put this on the lid. Close it back up. I'm gonna set this off to the side. Now, instead of having to get a Meguiar's branded terry cloth or a microfiber cloth, you don't need to. This microfiber cloth suffices. It is microfiber, it is clean. And what I'm gonna do is fold it into fours, like so. I'm going to rip the tag off. That way I do not leave any type of micro marring or any kind of swirls in it. And then I'm just gonna buff it off. Buffing off the excess. And as you can see, it's leaving a nice shine. If you start noticing that it's just smearing, it's okay. Turn over to microfiber like you just seen me do. And keep buffing until it is off. And that is clear. And as you can see, that actually looks pretty darn good. That looks great. So this is Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Wax. Can't beat it. Cannot beat a paste wax. Paste waxes are great. They'll never go out of style, even with all the new stuff that they're coming out with. But this product works great. It retails for about 20 bucks after tax, depending on where you get it from. And Gold Class, Meguiar's Gold Class is an entire line of products, which you can check that out. Been around for years, and this is how you use it. Now, as far as performance, give me just one moment, and I'm gonna do a water beading test. So what I'm gonna do, I'm now going to use some water here and see how it beads. As you can see, beads off pretty good. Looks great. You can still see it running over here. It's still traveling, still traveling. Let's see. You can see that The beading effects is actually really good. Let me show you up close here. Beading effects are great. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. This has been a review on Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Paste Wax.